The Naval Air Systems Command, NAVAIR, provides material support for aircraft and airborne weapon systems for the United States Navy. It is one of the various Navy Systems Commands, and was established in 1966 as the successor to the Navy's Bureau of Naval Weapons. NAVAIR is headquartered in Patuxent River, MD, with military and civilian personnel stationed at 8 locations across the continental United States and 1 site overseas. The current commander as of April 13, 2016 is Vice Admiral Paul Gross-Claggs. The Vice Commander is Rear Admiral, Lower Half, Sal, Francis D. Morley. The Deputy Commander, or Senior Civilian Service Member, is Mr. Gary Newton. NAVAIR's mission is to provide full life cycle support of naval aviation aircraft, weapons, and systems operated by sailors and Marines. This support includes research, design, development, and systems engineering, acquisition, test and evaluation, training facilities and equipment, repair and modification, and in-service engineering and logistics support. NAVAIR is organized into 8 competencies or communities of practice, namely, program management, contracts, research and engineering, test and evaluation, logistics and industrial operations, corporate operations, controller and counsel. NAVAIR provides support, through people, processes, tools, training, mission facilities, and core technologies, to Naval Aviation Program Executive Officers, PAOs, and their assigned program managers, who are responsible for meeting the cost, schedule, and performance requirements of their assigned programs. NAVAIR locations. NAVAIR headquarters is a tenant activity of Patuxent River NAS in St. Mary's County, Maryland. 10 NAVAIR locations exist, with 8 U.S. locations from coast to coast, and 2 international locations. These are Patuxent River, Maryland, Aircraft and Systems Development, Test and Evaluation, Test Ranges. Lakehurst, New Jersey, Support Equipment, Aircraft Launch and Recovery Equipment. Orlando, Florida, Training Systems, Instructional Systems. China Lake, California, Weapons and Systems Development, Energetics, Test Ranges. Point Mugu, California, Weapons Test and Evaluation, Targets, Test Ranges. North Island, California. Cherry Point, North Carolina, In-Service Support Center, Vertical Lift Center of Excellence. Jacksonville, Florida, In-Service Engineering, Repair and Modification Services. Atsugi, Japan. Naples, Italy. Program Executive Officers, PEO. The Naval Air Systems Command is organizationally aligned to the Chief of Naval Operations. As part of its mission, NAVAIR provides support, manpower, resources, and facilities to its aligned Program Executive Offices, PEOs. The Program Executive Offices are responsible for the execution of major defense acquisition programs. The PEOs are organizationally aligned to the Assistant Secretary of the Navy for Research, Development, and Acquisition, ASN, RDA. The Naval Aviation PEOs are co-located with the Naval Air Systems Command, and operate under NAVAIR policies and procedures. Other PEOs, such as the Office of the Secretary of Defense's Direct Reporting Program Executive Office, Joint Strike Fighter, PEO, JSF, also obtain support, manpower, laboratories, and facilities from NAVAIR. Naval Aviation PEOs are Program Executive Officer, Tactical Programs, PEO, T. Program Executive Officer, Assault and ASW Programs, PEO, A. Program Executive Officer, Unmanned Aviation and Strike Weapons, PEO, UNW. Naval Aviation Enterprise. NAVAIR is part of the Naval Aviation Enterprise Triad model currently headed by the Commander Naval Air Force, CNAF, and supported by the ONAV Director, Naval Air Warfare.
Please subscribe and thanks for watching.